Pasta processing. Some people will say that the most delicious pasta in the world is produced in Italy. However, we assure you that people in other places have learned to make this product pretty well. Right now you can see the pasta production processes at an Egyptian factory owned by Milano Food Company. The high technological level of every unit in the factory is one of the reasons why, according to the company, it's the best pasta in Africa. When it comes to large companies, production volume is impressive. In this case, pasta is made from wheat flour. This is the machine responsible for the raw material. It's a huge mill, capable of producing up to 1,000 tons of flour a day. In order to ensure the high quality of the final product, specially trained workers take samples of the flour. Of course, this process doesn't take long, otherwise the production would have to be stopped. That is why advanced equipment is used. Moisture, color, protein content, and many other parameters are measured in just 60 seconds. The flour is mixed with water to form a dough and then pressed through the extruder to obtain the desired shape. All this happens very quickly. Since the process is fully automated, the job of the worker is just to monitor the process. That is why this factory produces up to 120,000 tons of pasta per year. And we're talking about only one type of pasta. The production volume of another product, spaghetti, is up to 60,000 tons per year. In the future, the company hopes to increase its production capacity to meet the high demand. By the way, the packaging process is fully automated as well, which also increases the quality of the product that ends up on our tables. Cookie cutters manufacturing. It's time to talk about an increasingly fast-growing industry. In this field, only companies that are willing to change and adapt to customer preferences can survive. Selling pasta and selling cookie cutters are fundamentally different tasks. People buy pasta every other day. But if you've already bought a star-shaped cookie cutter, you'll probably never buy another one again. That's why it's so important to be the first to offer the customer the right product. This factory belongs to the American company Ann Clark Cookie Cutters. People here know all about selling cookie cutters. They literally have more information about the demand for cookie cutters in the world than any other manufacturer. All equipment is designed and programmed to help the company keep up with the latest trends. This means that they can produce more than 100 types of products. In 1 year, about 4.5 million cutters are produced here. It should be noted, however, that the production process itself is not particularly complex. The steel is cut into pieces of a certain length that are bent into an unclosed circle. The seam is then carefully welded. This process is handled by people, not machines. What happens next looks like a magic show. The metal is then compressed from all sides around the template until it takes the right shape. The whole process doesn't take more than a few seconds. The template is also quickly replaced. Thanks to this, cookie cutters of 50 different shapes are created every day at the factory. Bullion production. Gold and silver ingots are always subject to very strict requirements. Their weight, as well as their size, must be precise, down to every millimeter and milligram. That's why it's better to rely on robots for the production processes. They don't get tired, don't make mistakes, and always act as they're told. Here you can see a fully automated production line for precious metal ingots. This equipment has been created by specialists from the Italian company Terra Automation. This is the T-line model. It is fully customizable and can be equipped with additional attachments. The manufacturer offers unique production lines to ensure that they're tailored to suit the needs of the customer. All the worker has to do is load the precious metals into a special hopper. The rest of the processes, up to the creation of the ingot itself, is carried out by the machine. Curiously, granulated metal is most suitable for the production of ingots. The raw material is first melted and then sent to special tanks. Here, gold or silver interacts with circulating cold water, turning it into grains. The resulting mass is then divided into batches, each of which is carefully weighed to 1/100th of a gram. These batches are transferred to molds and melted. By the way, each bar produced is marked with its own number. Carpet cleaning. For decades, the only way to clean carpets was by hand, which is a time-consuming, intensive and exhausting job. Fortunately, humanity is developing all the time, inventing new ways to earn money and ways to make our lives easier. What you see on the screen right now is the best combination of the two. Because this automated carpet washing machine is great for business, and at the same time it eliminates the need to manually clean carpets. The advantage of this machine compared to manual work is obvious. The speed of the work increases considerably. In addition, the equipment can be programmed to clean the product thoroughly and delicately at the same time. The secret of the working speed in many aspects lies in the number of working tools. The carpet is cleaned at the same time by more than 6 rotating brushes. Of course, after cleaning the product, it is spin-dried and sent for ironing. This equipment can clean up to 250 square meters of carpets per day. Pig weighing. The last piece of equipment we'd like to show you will considerably increase the economic efficiency of any farm business. It's a special scale to individually weigh animals such as pigs. The fact is that weighing farm animals is an important process that affects their reproduction. The equipment is used under field conditions, so it must withstand high operating loads for a long time. It stands out for its wear resistance. This scale is offered by the German company Meyer Brackenberg. The design has many advantages. First of all, we'd like to emphasize its mobility. If necessary, the scale can be easily transferred from one place to another. In addition, the design itself is very narrow, so weighing can be carried out even in confined spaces. It should be noted that this scale allows the weighing process to be carried out with less stress for the animals. The high accuracy of the measurement is guaranteed by internal filters, which, for example, soften the vibrations. Simplicity of operation is another reason why this professional equipment achieves an extremely high level of performance. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.